Hello, this is Deb. I just wanted to give you kind of a sneak peek into the main area of Herculist and what they have to offer. This is where you log in, and this will bring you to the main page of Herculist. Now, if you want to submit an ad, you'll go to the Submit an Ad area, and as an upgraded member, you can send one of these daily, which goes to their entire database, which is over 79,000 members. If you're a free member, you'll be able to send one, but you're going to need keys to use. Those keys you'll find as you're viewing emails, and what happens is you will either take the credits for the site that you viewed, or you take the chance to win a prize, and that's where you win those keys. Otherwise, you can buy the keys. The credit mailer, you need as a free member 500 credits at minimum. Actually, that's for anybody, to send an ad out to so many members. Another feature is the zone, where you come in and you put your URL in, and as long as you have credits, it will be seen by other members. The Hercublurb will cost you keys, but these are these little things here that you keep seeing pop up. That's another way to get eyes on your website. The upgraded membership really is worth its weight in gold. They've been around for a long time, and right now they have an offer for a lifetime upgrade. It used to just be yearly, and it's just my go-to site. As you can see, there's advertising from members all over, and the power blurb shows up, but you can click it off. They have live support. They have solo specials, which of course cost. They also have an affiliate program. I don't think there's any other safe list out there that offers what Herculist does. So that's it. Have a good day.